Did you know Iceland is one of the only places on Earth where mosquitoes simply don't exist? Thanks to its cool climate, wildly unpredictable weather, and unique volcanic landscapes, nature has created a bug-free paradise. In just 30 seconds, discover how Iceland's fascinating environment keeps those pesky bugs at bay, leaving you free to explore pristine waterfalls, rugged lava fields, and sparkling glacial scenery without a single bite. Imagine a vacation where nature itself wins because, here, bugs just can't crash the party.